This 2026 Jayco Eagle SLE 24 MLE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 29 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4 LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, air conditioning, stovetop burner, water heater, self-contained, skylight, refrigerator, TV, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front bedroom, mid-bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Eagle SLE 24 MLE is 7,855 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.